what's the significance of having a triangle
Yeah,
structure?
it's a good question. I will answer that.
Oh, beautiful. Same architect then?
The original, ano to, wala pa hong major, wala pa hong dito.
Oh,
This is still the altar, and then this is still
oh wow.
the ambo noon.
Is this the same architecture from the?
Yes, actually. But
Okay.
Abbot Ed, the
Yes.
first bishop of this then prelature, Bishop
Right.
Claver, the late Father Columbano,
Yes.
Don Clement.
Yes.
They were here at this spot, and then Bishop Claver said, "Why don't we build three tents?" That's why there are three tents.
Ah, okay. Now I
That
got.
was August 6, 1980. That's why Abbot Ed, it dawned to Abbot Ed's mind that today is Transfiguration. We will name this monastery Transfiguration.
I see.
Kaya yun ang history niya. This painting was painted by a local artist here in Bukidnon,
Right.
Vic Barreto.
Okay.
He is a graduate of fine arts in UST, but decided to bring the fine arts here in Bukidnon. If you can see the colors,
Right.
very vibrant,
I know.
because Bukidnon is the home of 7 native indigenous people.
Okay.
So the 7 colors of
Yes.
IPs of the Lumad people is present there
I see.
in the painting.
I understand.
If you can also see that all the characters, the only character na meron kang eye-to-eye contact is only Jesus Christ.
Exactly. Everyone's looking
Correct,
at him.
that's right. And of course, you know, this Moses holding the 10 Commandments,
Right,
Elijah,
Elijah.
the major prophet.
Right.
Dun sa ulo ni Elijah, may bundok.
Ah, oo nga. Oo.
The artist integrated the mountain of Bukidnon.
Ah, okay.
And this is the only painting na according to Father Ansgar, sinabi niya kay Vic Barreto, ikaw lang yung nakagawa ng transfiguration na yung parang na-personify mo at the
Yeah.
same time yung cross, yung Good Friday, and then the resurrection
Okay.
in one painting, because the transfiguration is the prefiguration of the resurrection.
Exactly.
That's the one there.
Wow,
So,
it's
Abbot
beautiful.
Ed commissioned actually ano to. And then, sa buong property po namin, this is the pinnacle. This is the highest point of the property.
Ah, okay.
So, ito ho yung dinonate ng Jesuit under Isabela Corporation. It's a
I got
Jesuit
it.
property, itong hill. And then, ang kwento sa akin ni Abbot Ed, the adjacent 40 hectares, yun na yung nabili nila. Mga naremata sa bangko.
I see.
Until such time na nag-acquire little by little.
So this chapel still being used? right
Yes.
now? Okay.
Oh, we go here every August.
Just the monks?
Not only the monks, our retreatants,
Oh,
our
okay.
they can
Okay.
have.
I got it.
So if you will go here, by the way, sa Lido Montserrat,
Yes. Yes.
our patron,
Yes.
so still being funny.
Very nice.
This is actually our factory.
Okay.
Yan na ho yan.
Oh, sayang na nasarado.
Oo, hindi
Makakapunta kaya tayo bukas, Father? Dom.
makakapunta pero hindi makakapasok.
Ah, okay.
Because medyo stricto na rin
Ah,
ang
oh.
DOH
Uh-huh.
sa mga kondena.
So even the store right now is closed, no?
No, the store is
Ah, it's
open.
it's
Oo.
open.
And if you can see, yan na yung St. Anthony.
Oo nga, no? Sa baba, ano?
Dito banda, saan ba banda? Yung basta pag may mga mapuno na kasi, pero makikita mo na dito yung new church. Noon, ang kwento nila, Father Cole sa akin, during the deathbed ni Father Cole, lahat ito is barren talaga. Wala. Except only for one mango tree, which is located somewhere there in our rice field, na sinunog nila kasi nga, parang den ng mga ahas.
Ah, okay.
Kaya
Okay.
sinunog nila. Naku, nakita daw nila yung mga naglalambitin talaga na.
So are there still wild animals around the area? Since this is forestry.
Wala pa naman. Pero ang nakikita dito, nung when Father Pacomius is the one assigned here in this complex, old monastery complex, may nakita na siyang owl, well, raven, very
Right,
common.
How about bears, pigs, like
Wala.
that? No, wala.
No. Hindi naman siya. Snakes, marami, pero they are friendly naman. They are
Yes,
monastic, they are silent.
I
Pero-
see. I know.
So this is the PIL, o yung kung saan yung Institute of Liturgy.
I
This
see.
is the Deacon of Father Ansgar.
Ito.
Founded by Abbot Ted also during the ano po.
Ang daming contribution ni Father Ed ah.
Ah, yes.
Sobra.
Well, he's a builder.
I
And
know.
he's a well-connected.
Kaya nga yung position niya ngayon tamang-tama.
You see talaga, we just treated the ano to. We are trying to
The
treat
anay.
only the, as much as possible to preserve the
Right,
ano to,
right.
to preserve the integrity
Right,
of the ano
right.
to.
Para sa other generation can benefit it.
Yes, that's right. Yeah, that's the history also why it was named Transfiguration. August 6 so kasi it's the feast of the Transfiguration.
It came from Father Ed, the name. I
Yes.
see.
Para hindi rin makalimutan na ano. Kasi early of
Kaya pala sabi niya sa akin, Jerry, hindi ako mayabang pero you'll be surprised. Bahala na sila sa'yo. Kaya pala.
Ay, teka, mababa ng card.
Sige po.
Makita lang natin yun.
Ang ganda naman yung lunch niyo.
Yes. Ito ho, na bago na kasi siya. Parang ginawa kong
Relax na.
holy content
Yes,
na,
yes,
to.
yes.
Usually sa mga, pag we have dignitaries like the bishop.
Yes, yes. Oo.
Diyan ho na. At saka mas gusto din nila ng tahimik na lugar.
Oo.
So, we are
Mas tahimik kayo kaysa Menjola.
Ay, yes. Ay, naku. One time nagpunta ako doon, may mga rally. Ay, naku, Diyos ko. Lord for world peace.
Oo nga.
The irony of calling it, ano yun, the
Right.
Arch of Peace. And
Exactly.
Can you manage?
Yeah, sure.
Oo.
Sure.
You know, this is the reason why the monks transferred there.
Yeah.
Imagine mo, kakain lang sila, ilang step.
Oo
ito.
nga. Kailangan galaw-galaw
Oo.
talaga eh.
It's not elderly friendly.
Right.
That's why, ano to, they really transferred there.
Does the monks still use this facility?
As a factory of
Quiet,
ito pa rin ho yung mga wala pa rin na
Oh my gosh.
Oo.
Ganda.
Dito ho tayo nang galing. Mayroon ho, ito ho actually hagdanan na to. Yung yan na yung pababa ng St. Anthony.
Oo,
Ang
oo.
tutumbukin niya is yung chapel na.
Okay.
So, ako din, when I jog, ito din, you usually go here. Especially the steps. It's
Yeah.
helping my joints.
Right.
You see walang ganito sa Candela.
Wala. Ito, bagong construction na yan. Ano?
Ito ho, hindi ho. This is the novitiate building before.
Okay.
Kasi may separation of departments. So,
Okay.
this is the St. Lawrence dormitory.
Aha.
Because St. Lawrence is August 10, I think, or August 9. It's the birthday of Cardinal Rosales.
Alright.
He became also the Bishop of Malaybalay
Balay.
before becoming a cardinal.
I see.
And it was blessed during his birthday. Kaya ipinangalan ito na St. Lawrence Dormitory.
I see.
So this is the novitiate building. Kung pupunta ko kayo sa gift shop namin ngayon, ewan ko lang, doon banda kasi yung vegetable farm namin. Kasi may isang istante doon na yung lahat ng products namin.
Nandun lahat.
Meron din yung mga gulay-gulay. Sa amin din yung kanya.
Is other private business use your products? Let's say your coffee.
Yeah.
Is they resell it?
Meron din naman.
Meron din.
Meron din. Sa baba is the postulant po. May dormitory pa po actually sa
Okay.
baba, eh.
Yeah.
Pero it's only the same ano.
Oo nga.
So ito ang buhay nila noon.
Oo nga. Wow.
Tsaka ang papayat nila noon kasi because imagine dito na lang ho ilang steps
Oo
na
nga.
ano to.